Hey guys, what's up? It's V-Town bringing you another video today on the Orion client UO Excelsior free shard. If you guys are new or if you're a member of the shard, I encourage you to watch this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. We're actually doing a giveaway. I believe it was 250 ED to the people that share the video and comment on the video and like the video and subscribe to the channel and then share it on social media. Post a screenshot in the forums, and then I'm going to be giving away 250 ED Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I believe was 1400 p.m. shard time. But that'll all be in the forums, so you can see all that, of course. Now, I'll put the link to the forums in the video as well. So what we're going to start out with today is the Scavenger perk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach y'all how to use the Scavenger, okay? So give me 1 second here. Let me get everything set up because I accidentally messed it up the first time when I did this. So I got to redo the video. But anyway, so let's start out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this menu for the actual Orion display, okay? So when you start out, you're going to be in main. Now what you want to do to set up your auto loot features is you're going to want to go, or not auto loot, but a scavenger. It's the same thing for auto loot and scavenger. So find new lists. This is the list we made for just teaching y'all. Then we're going to come down here and click new, just like we're going to add an auto loot feature. We're going to hit select target, or select by target, and then we're going to come down here into the Ultima Online screen, and I am going to select these arrows in my bag. Now, we're going to come back up here, and you're going to see that it's now typed in, well, 208 arrows, so we want to change that to just where it says arrow, and then hit OK. Now, once we do that, we go back to agents. Now, when you start agents, you're going to be in dress mode, blah, blah, blah. We'll work on that. I don't even know how to use that yet. So once I figure it out, I'll start making videos on it. But we're focused on Scavenger today. So Scavenger, we got new list, which is mine, and then new list, which is yours. I've made 2 different lists. It doesn't really matter. But we're going to go to this one here, and this one here under Find New List and Loot. It has all of these lists. So it'll have my loot list, which you can see I've got gems, I've got weapons, I've got properties set up on my weapons, which we showed you yesterday, and all that as well. But we're going to go to Agents and Scavenger. We're going to make sure to turn on the new find list and my loot list. And then what we want to do is come back down here to the Ultima Online screen. And then we're going to walk over here, or run over here maybe, and drop some arrows on the ground. So we're going to take these 208 arrows or whatever and drop them on the ground. We're not going to lock them down because it won't work if we do. We're going to run back away from them, and then we're going to come back up here to the main screen, and we're going to turn on the Scavenger perk, or the Scavenger feature, not a perk. I don't know why I said perk. I used to do Call of Duty videos, so sorry about that. But anyway, we're going to start it, and then we're going to come back down here. We're going to go back to the UO field screen, and then we're going to run over here to the arrows. Let's just walk and see. As soon as we get that close, you see it? It picked them up. Bam, they're right here in my bag. So just to show you again, we'll do it one more time. We're going to stop this real quick. And then we're going to drop the arrows again. Maybe, if I can pick them up. There we go. Drop the arrows. Do not lock down because it won't work. This is just for you to test and make sure you've got it right. Come back up. Start the auto scavenger. And then run back over them. Walk over here. As soon as we get there, it bam, picks them up. Now, another cool thing, if you want to test it and see, if you pick them up and drop them, before it'll even let you lock them down, you pick them back up. So I hit lock this down and there's nothing there. The arrows are automatically back in my bag. So we'll do that one more time just to show you. Bam, automatically back in my bag that quick. So that's how you see people in IDOCs when they instantly just start grabbing stuff off the floor. They're using Orion, they know what they're doing, and that's just how they do it. So but anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. as far as the video. I do want to remind you guys about the giveaway that we're doing. I think I went over that at the beginning of the video. If not, I'm going to do it again real quick. We're giving away 250 EDs to whoever shares, likes, subscribes, and comments on the video. So all you got to do is just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video on social so other people can see it, maybe get other people interested in the Excelsior shard itself, because we need new players to come in and bring life back to the server. Now, whoever does that, you're going to be entered randomly. We're going to do a live drawing on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I believe was 1400 p.m. shard time. And then we're going to do the live giveaway. It's going to be a random number generator. Everybody's name's going to have a number, and then you're going to win the 250 EDs sponsored by myself. This isn't by anybody else. I'm just doing this on my own to try and help build the shard. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you taking your time to actually come and support my channel and watch my videos. Hopefully you learned something today from this, and if not, then just comment and tell me I suck. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.